Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a sleeve platen makeshift using MDF board. So all you're really going to need is a drill and your brackets. Stay tuned till after the intro and we'll show you how to do it. Alright guys, so today we're going to show you how to make a makeshift sleeve platen. A lot of times when you order sleeve platens, their max width in the very, towards the end where you put your sleeve on is actually around 3.5 inches. But I've always had customers want a big sleeve print. If that's a flag, a logo, whatever it is, they kind of want it big. So today we're going to show you how we make sleeve platens for pretty much under $15. Wood has been going up, but you can still get this for around $15 at Home Depot, Lowe's. So what we'd like to do is we go to Lowe's or Home Depot, get a 5.5 inch wide MDF board by 8 feet. We have it broken, cut down at Home Depot or Lowe's into 2-foot sections. Okay, so you only need one board, and that one board's maybe $10 to $15 depending. All right, and then you just need your bracket. Our brackets that we use on our press is 4 inches by 4 inches, and very simple how we do it. And all you really need is a drill and another drill. I use 2 drills so I don't have to keep on going back and forth. One has a drill bit, one has the Phillips head, so I can actually screw in my bracket to my board. Now this is the same height and that most of your platens are going to be. So how I always have my bracket set up is I have the woods right here, then I have a bolt, and then I have the bracket, and then I screw through it so it doesn't actually come out the back side, which is really bad, right? Because that's where your shirt's going to be. So let's show you how we actually get this set up and go from there. Alright guys, so normally what I do is I take my T-square and I come down, like I said, 2 inches from the end, and then I start my bracket. From there I'm going to draw a straight line across. Okay, now I know my center mark of this board is at 2 3/4. That's my center line. So I'll make a line for my center. Then I also have to go back and go over 2 inches from the center, and then 2 inches to the center from this side, which is 3/4 on this side and 4 3/4 on this side. Then I make my lines. So now I know the ends of my bracket. Take the bracket, line it up, take a marker, mark the holes where they need to be. Now I got a mark where all my holes are going to be. From here I'm going to take my drill bit and I'm just going to start a little pilot hole. I'm not going to go all the way through, just a little pilot hole for the screw to actually catch in. There we go. So now I got my pilot holes. Again, I'm going to take these, which are my bolts, and set them over the holes. Take my bracket. Now when I screw in the first screw, I don't go and put it all the way in. I actually don't take and put any of the screws all the way in until I have the very last one screwed in. As you can see, nothing came through on the backside. Alright guys, so that is how we use MDF boards from Home Depot, Lowe's, to create a makeshift sleeve platen. 2 feet wide, or 2 feet long by 5.5 inches wide. If you guys have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. We definitely like to answer them and help you guys out. If you guys want to see something new, please definitely let us know that as well. And if you haven't liked, please like it, share it, and subscribe. Till next time, be safe, have fun.